and welcome back. In this video we are going to create a role center page and menus and submenus like this. Okay, so if I click this and how it is created and how to create a role center page and what are the key points in the role center page, what are the key sections. So before we create this type of role center page, okay, this is just I'm showing you how to create it and how to create a profile. So let us understand why we need a role center page. Okay, and what is a role center page? So the role center is a user's entry point, and it's like a home page for Dynamics 365. You can develop several different role centers where each role center is customized to the profile of the intended users. What do you mean by the profile? You can just click here in this gear icon, just go to the my settings, and then you can see here this is your profile. Okay, so here you can see the profile, and this is the profile which I have created. My profile I have created, and in that profile I can see this role center page. Okay, so if you want to create any specific profile and the role center, you can do that. Okay, so you can have role centers that target the different levels within an organization, such as the business owners, department leads, and the information workers. So the strength of Dynamics 365 is its role tailored experience that helps user focus on the work that is important to them. So we are going to create a role center here. Okay, so the how the structure of role center will be. You can see here the structure of role center. I'm just showing you the role center here. So let it load. So meanwhile it loads, this is my channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please go and subscribe now. So you can find a lot of playlists specifically for the business central users for both functional, technical, and techno functional. Okay, so here you can see this is a 41 days functional consultants bootcamp. So if you are planning to shift your career to business central functional consultant, even if you want to become a functional consultant, you can understand who is a functional consultant, what are the roles and responsibilities, and many things related to BC functional consultant. And this is related to the AL coding challenge. Okay, 21 days of AL coding challenge. And once if you scroll down, you can see mini project. I'll be updating this soon. Okay, and just scroll down, you can see BC tutorial, technical consultant tutorial. Okay, this is, you can see 168 videos are there for the developers. Okay, like this. And if you want to join as a member, you can see you can find exclusive videos for the members. Okay, so you can find the videos for the members which will be like useful for you, and all the videos which I'll be releasing it first for the members, and then it will be available for the subscribers. So the next important thing is like a tech tutorial. So here I'll be uploading the manuals, interview questions, and everything related to business central, Tableau. You can see here Tableau and Power BI I have updated. If you have any specific thing in the mind, okay, like if you want to create a manual for something, you can just comment it in the comment section. I will create it. So you can find this link in the description. Okay, in all the videos description. And this is if you wanted to create if you wanted to talk to me, if you want to schedule a call with me, you can use this to schedule a call with me. I'll be definitely helping you out. Okay, so don't worry, you can just talk to me. And this is my blog. All these links will be available in the YouTube video description. Please follow my blog. I'll be writing a blog on this role center soon. You can watch that. Okay, so here it is showing the profile. So let us go and click on my settings, and I'll try to create see the profile of a different profile, probably the business manager. And if you click OK, it will load the role center of a manager. Okay, like how what are the various things a manager should see. That is what role centric, that is why it is called as a role center page. Okay, so once it loads, like you can see like what are the various things which as a role center we can see. So this is a navigation menu. So here you can see it's like menu and sub menu. Okay, this is a top level navigation which consists of one or more root menu items that really used. Okay, so this is the menus and submenus like that. And the next one is like this is a navigation bar. This is the second level. So I'm talking about this. This is top one, which is like a navigation menu. Okay, nav menu. And under this here you can see this is a navigation bar. Okay, and next one is the action bar. So we have the action bars as well. So action bars which provides, we have actions, we can add the actions as well here. Okay, and then after that, so the action bars I can show you 1 minute. I don't know whether it's added. Yeah, these are the action bars. Okay, this is the action bar here. So you can even create like you have the action. So this is what we call it as a area. This will comes under area creation. Okay, and the next one is here you can see this is area processing. The actions will appear like you can create it. So I'll be explaining where you have to write all these things, like a navigation bar where you have to bring it, and the navigation menus, how to create a navigation menu, navigation bar. And here you can see the actions bar as well. Okay, and you also have here, you can see a report here, right? So this one, and we can also so there are various thing, like we have specifically in the role center page, we'll be having what, we'll be having the cues, styles and everything. So if you just scroll down, you can see these are all the cues, and you can see the KPIs and the insights, favorites and everything will be here. Okay, so we are going to just create it. So here you can see, I'll be showing you, this is what the top most one, which is a navigation menu, and this is a navigation bar. We are going to create this two here now. So let us create it. So let us create the page here. Okay, so let us just start typing T page. So here you can see it's a role center. Okay, page type role center, and you have to give the ID 5. I'm just giving an ID here for that, and you can name it like role center, whatever. So the role center name, I'm just keeping it as such. Okay, and next comes your page type, which is by default is the role center, and I can have the caption here as my role center, my role center try. Okay, so I'm just giving a name for that. Okay, so we are not going to concentrate on the layouts because I just want to show you the actions, how to create a navigation bar and everything. So I'm just directly going to the action. So here you can see the first one is the action area creation. Okay, so I am just going to go with the area sections. So the whereas the sections, we'll be creating what, we'll be creating the navigation bar. Okay, so I'm just going with the area sections, and here you can see I have the group. So the group, where the group is what, this is what, okay, this group posted invoices. So if you want to group the sales invoice, so here this is the group. If you want to bring in all the finance related links, then you can go ahead with the finance, cash management. Okay, like that you have to give the name. So here I have named it as a posted invoice, so I'm just going to create the group name as a posted invoice, posted invoices. Okay, so I have created this. Then you can create under that you can give the captions for that. So I'm just going to create a caption, and I'm going to name it as a posted invoices. Okay, and then you can go with the image if you want to show any images to that. So I'm just going to create a image like registered docs. Okay, and then you can start with the action. Okay, so if I click that, okay, the first one, so we have just named it posted invoices. So if I click this, I should have these three options, right? Like posted sales invoice. So here under that posted invoice, okay, so if I click this posted invoice, it should show me like posted services invoice, and it should be some link, right? It should direct me somewhere. So the actions, I wanted to go with the action, so I'm just creating this action. You can give the name like posted service invoice. I'm just going to create a posted service invoice, and you can have a name for like you can go ahead with the caption. I'm just going to go with the caption. What is the caption? posted service invoices. Okay, and what is this run object? This is very very important. Okay, so what does this run object means? That if I click on this particular thing, it should take me to the specific page. Okay, see, if I just click on this particular if I click on this particular posted service invoices, what it will do, it will take me to the posted service invoices. Okay, I'm in a different role, that is why it is not showing anything. Okay, so that is what the concept of this particular property. So I want to go with the run object. Okay, which object I have to run, so that I have to specify here. So in the run object, so you can just go ahead with what I want, the page. Okay, and then if you just select, like if you just press control and space, it will show you various option. So you can go ahead with posted service invoices. Okay, invoices, you can just go ahead with posted service invoices. So this is what the run object, and I'm just making it as application area is equal to all. Okay, so this is the first link which we have created, and the first action which I have created, that is posted service invoices. Okay, so let us, next one is what we have to create. What we have to create a posted sales invoices. So let us create action, and I'm just going to go with the posted sales invoices. Okay, and I'm just creating a caption for that, like posted sales invoices page is posted sales invoices. I have to get the posted sales invoices page here. Now the next one, here you can see that the third one is the sales document, and this is a main thing, and under that I need the sub actions to perform, like sub pages or something to open up, right? So what I have to do is, what I have to create a group for this. Okay, so I'm going to create a group, and I'm going to name it as a sales document. Okay, so this is the name. So you can create whatever the group name, you can give it anything. Okay, so the sales document, and under that group I'm just going to create, okay, so it should be proper, so I'm just going to create a sales document. And okay, so if you want to go with an image, you can just go ahead, or else you can go ahead with the actions. Okay, what action you wanted to perform, either if you want to bring in the sales order or the purchase order or whatever, like what you wanted to bring in, you can just go ahead with that. So here it is showing sales order. If you want to bring in the sales document entity, whatever. Okay, so here you can see under this group, okay, you have to bring in whatever. So here our navigation menu is over. Okay, this is how you have to create a navigation menu, which is on the top. So all the navigation menus should come under area sections. Okay, now we are going to create a navigation bar. So where is the navigation bar? Here it is. Okay, so this is the navigation bar, which is under the navigation menu. So where all these navigation bar should comes in is what? Area embedding. So we have created area sections, and now we are going to create an area embedding. Okay, so you have area embedding here. So under the area embedding, we have to create an action. So what is the action? I'm going to go with the sales action, and the sales action should have the caption, which is sales list. Okay, I want to display the lists. Okay, sales list. And if you want to go with the run object, so if I click that, it should directly take me to the specific page or a specific object, whatever the object you wanted to go with. So you can just go with what you can just simply type here, just press sales list. Okay, so I want to go with the sales list. Then you can make it as application area is equal to all, in order to make it like possibly available everywhere. And then you can create like how many actions you wanted to perform. You can create you can create an action. So sales list. Then I wanted to go with a service list. So action, you can see here you have purchase. If you want to go with a purchase list, you can create it. You can go if you want to create with the services, and the service list, if you want to create, you can also create it how much you want. Like you can just go on adding. Okay, so I'm just going, because these are all what these are all these comes under the embedding part. Okay, so there is no inventory list, so that is why it's showing like that. So let me just go ahead and see what comes under inventory. Okay, inventory comment list. Okay, so I'm just want to show you like where it is, where it is. Okay, so here you can see that all these things are coming into the point, like, so this is where your service list and services lists are fine. Okay, and apart from this, if you wanted to perform anything, any other thing, you can also create it. Okay, if you want to bring in the area reporting, so like how you wanted to make it, if you want to create it, if you want to show the posted sales invoice. Okay, so if you can just add it continuously. And finally, we are going to create a profile that uses this specific role center. Okay, that is the important thing here. So we have to create a profile, so you have to come under that and you have to start with the profile. Okay, so what is the profile? So I have already named it as my profile. Okay, so I'll just show you. There is the new profile which we are going to create, that should not be here. Okay, so I'm just showing you here. So I'm going to create a new profile which is like demo profile. Okay, so the demo profile is not here. You can see here demo profile is not here. So I'm just going to create a demo profile demo profile. Okay, so I have created this, and you can start with this, and you can give profile description. What is the profile description? Demo profile. Okay, and then role center, so you have to tell role center the role center name, whatever the role center name it is. And the caption, what is the caption? You can just go with demo profile. Okay, and yes, so this is what the profile which we have created. I think that's it, we are done. If you want to go with any reportings or something, you can just go ahead, just save it. And you have to give the launch.json, don't forget to give the file proper id, whatever, even if you haven't give, no problem, because anyhow we have to just open the profile and save it, and just press Ctrl and F5. Okay, so let it open our Dynamics 365. Let us see how that profile is looking like how that new profile, that is the demo profile, has been created, whether it has, like, if you want to bring in this report, okay, all report, I'll show you like where this all report is there. And I'll just show you that. Okay, let us see, like, okay, let me just go ahead and look for the different profile. I'll just go ahead with the personalize, sorry, I'll just go ahead with my settings, and let me see whether my new profile is there. Yes, it's there, demo profile is there. Okay, so just click on the demo profile and click OK. Why that my profile is not there? Because I have used the same id, that is a 50125, and I was trying for that, so it's replaced, and I can see the demo profile which we have created here. So the new profile is loading now. Okay, so this is what we have created. You can just go back. Okay, so posted invoice, we have these things: posted sales invoice and sales document. Under that we have sales order and sales invoice. And this is the navigation bar, like a sales list, purchase list, service list, and inventory list. So all these things are available here. Okay, so this is how you can create a menu and sub menu in the role center page. So designing the role center page is a crucial one. And nearly in role center page we have various other things like queue styles and bringing in the charts, everything, but we will be discussing about everything one by one. Okay, like action bars, and how to bring in the reporting objects like area reporting. So you have various other stuff like whatever I told, no, like we have various controls in business central as well. We have these three primary areas here. So the one is what, navigation menu, navigation bar, and action bar. So the navigation menu, we can just create it using the area section, and the navigation bar which is created using area embedding, and action bar, if you want to create an action bar, which will be created using an area. Okay, area, under that you will be creating the actions and everything. Apart from that, we have a headline. Okay, so we will discuss about how to create a headline. I have already discussed about how to create a cues. That will be in the in my playlist. So here you can find, in this specific playlist you can find how to create a yes, queues. Okay, so here in this playlist, don't forget to watch this playlist if you want to create a queue. So this is the technical BZ tutorial technical consultant playlist. I have already uploaded. I'll be discussing about how to create a card part, list part, everything, probably in the further sections. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. I'll meet you soon in the next video. If you have anything to be discussed, please leave that in the comment section.